Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today, in this video, we will discuss about the compound unit in the Tally Prime. That is compound unit in the stock items in Tally Prime. So before entering into the topic, a request to you, everyone entering to my channel and watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and also you share my channel with everyone. Okay, and then another very important thing is, everyone, please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand and you will know the topic or subject up to that point only. The balanced topic you cannot understand, you will not know at all. So it is just like it is only half knowledge. So it is only waste of time, nothing more than that. That is why watch every video till the end. If required, watch the video more than once also, so that you will get very good knowledge. And also, so in this video we will show some examples, illustrations, anything. So I will work out them, and also some other are left to you to work out. So you work out or practice every problem, even which I did. You work is all the problems many times, so that you will get expert knowledge in this topic. Okay, and also after watching the full video, if the video is good, please like the video. If like the video, YouTube people will share this video with many people, so that many people can watch this video and learn this topic. Okay, now we will enter into the topic. So I am sharing the screen. See here, previously we used alternative units. See, whenever goods are purchased, stock items are purchased in one unit. That is, it may whatever it may be, quintal, kg, or quintal, ton, or anything, bags, boxes, anything, and sold the stock items in the same unit. That is, purchased box, sold box, purchased in cases, sold in cages, purchased in boxes, sold in boxes. So in the same unit, if they are sold, it is called as the only unit. So it is called as simple unit. When there are two units, that is purchased in one unit and sold in the same unit or some other unit also, there will be only two units. For example, I purchased in quintals and sold in quintals as well as in kilograms, kgs. So I am using two units. One is quintal and one is kg. So these two if we are using, so then we have to take one unit as the main item, that is the item which we are selling, or which unit is used more. For example, in this case we use more cages, so we sell in cages mostly. Quintals also we sell, but more we sell in cages, so that will be taken as the main unit, and the other unit will be taken as the alternate unit for that, for the main unit, and these two units are used. This is called as alternative unit. So that also we learned in the previous video. We learned about the alternative units, alternative or alternate units. It is called as alternative or alternate, alternative or alternate units. So alternate units or alternative units we use. But now, if we purchase in another large unit, we purchase in large unit and sell in other two units which are smaller to that, which we sell in two units, then totally there will be three units, that is more than two. If there are more than two, means if there are three units, then we have to use them as compound units. That is actually, so every time, even in the case of alternate units, so we create the units, all the units as simple units, and then we make one unit as the one unit as the alternate unit. But here, when you are using three units, we will create all the three simple units. And out of these three, we know how to make alternate unit with two units. So in such case, so with the main unit, we will take another alternative unit, isn't it? So we take one main unit So in this, we take one unit as the main unit, that is which is used most. That is the generally the selling units. The selling will be more. So the selling unit will be taken as the main unit. Other two units, so a little big, more bigger than the main unit. So other unit bigger than this and another bigger than this. For example, if you purchase in tons, we sell in quintals as well as we sell in kgs also. In this case, we are using three. So kg will be taken. Generally, we sell mostly in kgs. That is why it is the more used quantity unit. So kg will be taken as the main unit. So with this main unit, we can take one alternate unit. So for that alternative, there are two units. We cannot take two alternative units. So one alternative unit you have to take. For that purpose, the other units should be clubbed together, should be related together. That means the other two units should be created as compound unit. One both together, we have to create a compound unit. So one is the main unit. Another two items are clubbed and created as compound unit, both together. And this compound unit, one ton is equal to 1 ton is equal to 10 quintals. One ton is equal to 10 quintals. Like that, you have to relate them. So we have to take that as the compound unit. The total compound, one unit is equal to 1 unit of 10 quintals, isn't it? So that unit, that is the compound unit, that is taken, that total compound unit, that means two units are taken together as one compound unit. So this compound unit will be taken as the alternate unit for the kg. So three units you are using. Okay, so this is called as using the compound unit. Many people are just taking two units, so they're taken without a third unit. They're taking the two units, and these two units are used as compound unit. So main unit they're taking as the compound unit itself. They're taking as the main unit. Main unit will be one. The other two units, that is, if there are more than two, that is three units only, we can use compound unit. If there are only two, we can take one main unit or another alternate unit. That's all. No, compound unit is not required. If there are three, one is the main unit, other two units should be clubbed together, should be related as compound unit. The total compound unit consists of two units. This compound unit is taken as the alternate unit to the main unit. That is what we have to do. How to do that? Just I will tell you how to do that. See example. Example, when a company is created, you created any company, and then see company's creation is more. I've taken many options. All these options we are not using. Okay, but then we'll go to the directly we'll go to the features, or we will go to the features by F11. So we'll take all the required features, that is maintain accounting, enable well-wise details, then inventory, maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory. Then we will go to the taxation, whether goods or services it is required. So taxation, enable the GST. So take all these things, regular dealer set is taken automatically, and we give the GST number, then accept. So created the company, the what you call the features required for us. So they are enabled. That's all. And then we will go to the masters. So create, you can go to create and create the ledgers. We can go to create the ledgers. I already created. So creating the ledgers is the same. In the case of creating ledgers, there is no difference with other companies. So everything is same. We'll create all the required debtors, creditors, purchases, sales, tax, CGST, HGST, IGST, bank account required, bank account, capital account, everything, cash and profit and loss it will be there by default. All others, and if you purchase assets, asset account, expenses, incomes, everything we will create as usual, no difference. The difference is only in inventory. This compound unit, alternate unit, all these are related to stock. So the stock items means inventory. In the inventory, in the stock item and the units, this is to be implemented on many document. So for example, so go to first units. So generally these units can be created when you are making entry in the stock items. When you are making entry also, we can create this, but still I'm creating links. See here actually, for example, you take example. One example it is, so ton, quintal, kg. So ton we are purchasing, then we'll sell in tons also. It is not, generally it is will not be taken. So tons we will purchasing, purchasing in quintals and purchasing in kgs, 3 units you are using. So in this case, kgs will create as a simple item, simple unit, kgs, kilograms, and then the unit quantity code. And for the kilograms, you have to give 3. Generally, in this case, we are not using the kilograms, only kilogram you are using. Lesser unit you are not using, just simply will give 2. That means 2 zeros will be there after the decimal. This is accepted. Okay, they accept this, and then okay, then so after the kg, we create quintal. So quintal, that is QTL, and quintal is the full name, and then QTL and the quintal is the unit quantity code. After that, for this we are giving 2 units because 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. 100 kgs is 1 quintal. So in the case of 100 kgs means up to 99 kgs, it is kgs. If it is 100 kgs, it will become quintal. That is why there should be 2 digits. So 1.99 quintal means 1 quintal, 0.99 kg. 1.100 means 3 zeros, it becomes quintal, it will become 2 quintals. That is why we give only 2 digits for the quintal, and then we created ton. So ton means we'll create TON ton. TONNES tons is the formal name, and TON, if we take the unit quantity code, will be tons we will get. For the tons, actually a ton is equal to 10 quintals. Okay, is equal to 10 quintals, but 1 quintal is equal to 100 units. The 10 into 100,000. So in the case of the ton will be equal to, that's we are using kg also. So quintal is equal to 100 kg. Ton is equal to 10 quintals, but ton is equal to 100,000 quintals, 1,000 kgs also. So if we give that one, that 1,000 rupees, 1,000 kgs for ton should be accepted. That is, we give 3,000 means 999 up to 999. It is what you call quintal up to 9, up to 9. Sorry, for quintal. Acha, up to 9. That is 1 unit, 1 decimal required for tons. But kgs are 1,000. 1,000 means up to 999 kgs. 1,000 kgs means ton. That is why 999 3. So we give 3 decimals. Like this we will do. And then what we do is, so already we created this. So after creating this see here, and then we have to make, so kgs, mostly we sell in kgs. Kgs we take as the main unit, and the other 2 units should be taken as alternative, but you cannot take 2 alternatives. So 1 kgs is the main item. These 2 should be clubbed together, means they should be related into 1 compound unit. So then it becomes 1 simple unit. This is compound unit. Thus, compound unit can be taken as the alternate unit to the normal, that is the main item. So what you do is, here we will take up, we'll go to this create button. Here you will see already we created. So we go up. So compound we select. In this case, what we require the tons will be, tons is equal to tons and quintals we have to relate, kgs separate. Okay, we have to take ton of 10 quintals. A ton is equal to 10 quintal. So kgs is the main unit. These 2 should be taken related as compound. So it taken see here. So 1 ton conversion rate is 10. 1 ton is equal to, second unit is quintal. 1 ton is equal to 10 quintals. So I accepted this. Okay, over. Now we see these are the simple units, and these 2 are made as compound unit. This is the independent, this one. So this is the, so when you are taking the, for example, when you are going to take the stock item, in this case, for example, sugar, anything, for example, sugar or anything, for example, sugar. So we'll go to here, we will go to here, we will take the kgs as the main item. So kgs are taken, and other 2 quintal and ton, they cannot be taken separately as alternate items. So we can take an alternate item of the both we can take. That is the compound unit of the both quintal and ton can be taken as the, so this can be taken as the compound unit for this, that is alternate unit. So now we require alternate, it is going back that side. So we require alternate unit. So how you do it? Go to F12, See in the inventory, this one inventory details. So this is unit of measure UM. That is the main unit. And then use alternate unit. Make it yes. Make it yes. Accept. And now see here. Come down. So what is the alternate unit? This compound unit is the alternate unit. Take 10 ton of 10 10 quintal. Then, okay, ton is equal to 10 quintals, but 1 quintal is equal to what is the relation between this is the bit related. So, quintal and this one alternate unit, the relation is 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs, where here it will ask you. So, this is related, and quintal, ton and quintal related, quintal and kg to be related. In that case, 1 quintal will be equal to 100 kgs. So, like that, we have to relate them and then give all the details. Like this, you have to make the there is compound units, one main unit and other two. There are 3 units. So one unit is the main unit. Other 2 units should be related as a compound unit. This compound unit is to be taken as the alternate to the main unit. So now we'll take up one problem. See here, in this case, this is the thing, and in this case, you see, you read this also. The same thing I have given. And here I made 2 problems. So in the first one previous alternate units, first problem I have taken as deposit in the bank. Second problem I have given opening balances. I asked you to do this. In this case, third one is same. Third one is simple. And in this case, what I am doing is the opening balance I am taking in the first problem, that I am doing in the second problem, deposit in the bank. So yesterday I did deposit. Today I am asking you to work out this. And yesterday I asked you to work out the opening balances. Today I'm showing the opening balances. So now, name of the company you have to take. See, the name of the company is Excel Enterprises. I already created Excel Enterprises. So here, go to this one. See the alter, everything. These additional, these are all features I enabled, but they are not, but we are not using them. Okay, whatever feature is required, that we can use. Now we are not using anything, except it is created. Then go to F11 features. All these are enabled, all the features are enabled. Now we will go to the vouchers. So in this case, the company is created. Directly we cannot go because this is an existing company. So others one brought with capital, paid into bank, not like that. This is an existing company. How? See, there are opening balances. Now, before proceeding further to record the transactions, we have to enter the opening balance. How do we enter the opening balances? So here we will create the account. For example, this is the account. For example, we create capital account, capital account. We create it. It is already required there, and we create this capital account. After completing all the, so cursor will come here. Here in the opening balances, we will give the opening balance. So I already created that. So here, go to alter and see ledgers. First capital. So capital account. Come down here, and at the end, what we have to do? We have to give the balance 5,25,000. Instead of that, if it is company is already created, that is the ledger is already created, then here when you open this, directly you have to come here. So instead of clicking all this already created, so here if you click with the mouse, so directly the mouse will come here. Directly we can enter 5,25,000. So it automatically it is credit balance. Like capital means credit. It will take credit and it will show here also. It will take credit and it will show the opening balances. So 525 credit, and whatever we give, that will be updated. The next one is State Bank of India 5 lakhs. So I created State Bank of India. So in this case also create the. So now I am not creating, already created. If you are creating, you create and enter all the items, all the fields. Then cursor will come here. Then you will enter in the opening balance. But since I have already created, just click here. If you click here, the cursor will come here. So here it is 5 lakhs. So here it is 5 lakhs. So you will enter 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs I entered. So it is updated. And this is bank account means it is debit balance. It will update here 5 lakhs. It is 25 also. I completed. That is why 5 lakhs it is. So credit is 525. Debit is 5 lakhs only. And the third one is cash. So cash is already, we need not create. It is already by default. It is created. Just it will open that and come here. So the amount balance is 25,000. enter 25,000. Cash balance means it is also debit balance. So it will take debit. So it will update here. So 5 lakhs 25,000 capital and 5 lakhs bank, 5 lakhs cash, credit, debit side updated, total is okay. So both sides should be equal. If there is difference, it will show difference. That you have to check up. Okay, right. Now we will go to the transactions. We will go to transactions, and here, there I created the simple units in the beginning. In the beginning itself, I created the simple units, and then I I completed the work. Now also we can take in another way. While doing the entries also we can do. So we'll go to entries here. What we did first on 1/6. So 1/6 is the date we purchase the goods. We purchase if the suppose if the purchase that voucher is under in accounting invoice mode, that is in particulars, we have to change it to item invoice because we are dealing with goods. So date is sorry, date is 6. That is why first June it is showing second. Okay, we will take the purchase from Raghava Enterprises with this number and the invoice number you have to enter. So supplier invoice number, it will ask you. We have to give the supplier invoice number, accept supplier invoice number, and we are selling to purchasing from Raghava Enterprises. Check up Raghava Enterprises, accept. All the details are here, accept. And we are purchasing goods, purchase. So in the purchases, we should not enter purchase accounts and all this, but this should be GST applicable, should be applicable. That's all. We won't give any details. At the end, we have to select it as goods because if it is an asset, it is to be taken as both. The group will be fixed assets, and then the type of supply will be, capital asset, capital goods, not goods. Goods means capital, trading goods. Capital goods means fixed asset. Then what we purchased? We purchased sugar. So sugar we purchased. So collected. See, sugar. So I created everything here. In the sugar, when I am creating the sugar, how we have to create? So sugar I are creating now. So in the sugar, we'll take it primary, and kgs we have taken the main unit, and the other 2 units should be taken as this one alternate unit I created now. Alternate unit is that one. This is done. That is different. So kg and what is there? Quintal is there, bag is there. Quintal and bag we have to create here. So go to kg and then go here, and then here you have to create alt C. If you create, so create compound entry. Create compound entry are coming here. So because it is compound entry, and compound entry here, what is the compound entry? Quintal and bags. Kgs is the main unit. Quintal and bags. So I have to take quintal. I already created. Otherwise here you can alt C. If you go to alt C, you can take here. See here, you can create here and create here alt C also. But already quintal I already created. So quintal of bags. So each bag of 50 kg. Quintal is 100 kg means bags will be 2. So 2 bags for the quintal. So quintal of 2, and the second unit is bag. Second unit is bag we have to create. So alt C. So we have to create bag. So we have to create simple entry. Is not taking. Okay. First of all, we will create. We will go to simple entry. Bag also we will create bag. So bags and the unit. It is better to create in the beginning because it is not a component. It is taking, and it is bag only. If you take bags, and each bag contains 50 kgs, isn't it? 50 kgs means up to 49 kgs. It is kg. 50 kgs means it will become a bag. So 2 units, that is 49, 2 digits. That is decimal place 2 we have to take. And then, okay, see here, it has come. So compound quantity quintal, 2 bags, accepted. Okay, over. And then come back. So here it takes, see here, created quintal of 2 bags. So we will take quintal of 2 bags. So quintal and bags are related. For quintal, there are 2 bags. Okay. For bag, how many kgs? There another one. For bags, how many kgs if we take? So bag kgs for bag, it is 1 bag. So each bag contains here how many bags? For each bag contains 50 kg. So if you take 50 kg, 1 bag contains 50 kg, means 2 bags will be equal to 100 kg means quintal. Quintal will be 2 bags. one bag is 50 kg. That means quintal will be equal to 2 bags means 2 into 50. So it will be equal to 100 kgs. So quintal consists of 2 bags and quintal consists of 100 kgs. Okay. Like this you have to give and you give all these numbers. See, number you are giving taxable. So it is 55%. And here goods. And here this is one thing. So here there are many units. Which is the main unit in which we are reporting? That is, all the calculations will be made, reports, everything will be shown in the same unit. Okay, that is in the compound unit and main unit you take. Okay, main unit is there. So what is the reporting unit here? The reporting unit is kg main unit. That is why previously all the three will be shown. We have to select the main unit. But here in the latest unit, what they are doing, the main unit you are taking, the same thing is automatically selected. Kg is the main unit. That will be reported in kg. And come down here. And here, sugar we purchased 10 quintals. Okay, 10 quintals we purchased. Our main item is 10 quintals of containing bags and kgs. So main unit is kgs. So 10 quintals is equal to 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. That is 2 bags. 2 into 1 quintal, 1 bag is equal to 50 kg. 1 bag is equal to 50 kgs. 50 into 2, 100 kgs is the quintal. So here 10 quintals means if you give, it will take main unit. You have to take, it will take 10 kgs. Main unit it will take. But here, what is 10? 10 quintals. So if you give quintal, so we have given all the units. So automatically to calculate quintal, 2 bags, quintal into 2. 2 into each quintal, each bag is 50. 2 into 50, 100 kgs for each quintal. That means 10 quintals means 200 kg. 10 quintals means 10 means 1000 kgs. So it will take automatically, it will take 1000 kgs. Main will 1000 kgs. Quintals here before that. Alternate unit, that is the compound unit is the alternate. This is 10 quintals. 10 quintals. Okay. This is 10 quintals. Now, then what is the rate you are purchasing? 3,500 rupees per quintal. 3,500 rupees if you enter, it will show the main item it will take. That is main unit it will take. 3,500 per kg, but actually it is not kg. You have to give Q. Per quintal it is 3,500. That means 35,000 for example. So 1 quintal we purchased 10 quintals, per quintal 3,500. That means, sorry. Okay. See here. Here, what is the number? I will, that is wrong. I will tell. I will put it. Okay. So per quintal we are purchasing 3,500 rupees per quintal means 100 kgs. So 1000 kgs means 3,500 rupees, 35,000. So per quintal it is 3,000, 35,000 rupees. If we are taking it as the same thing, it will take kg. Per kg 33,500 means 1000 kg means 1000 kg into 33,500, it will be 35 lakhs, but it is only quintal. So quintal will give 3,000, 30,000, 35,000. Then we purchased wheat. So wheat also the same thing. So tracking number will be given, that you don't bother about that. And then how much you purchased? 15 quintals you purchased. So 15, again here also you have to give Q. It will be automatically converted into kgs. 15 quintal into 100 means 15,000. 15 quintal. Wheat 15. Sorry, I am give take 15 quintal. What is doing wheat? What happened? Oh, you are not given here. So kgs and here. So the alternate unit you have to take quintal of 2 bags, each bag of 50 kgs. This is not given. All these to be taken, and the kgs is the reporting unit. So now you will take 15 Q. 15 quintals means each quintal 2 bags, each bag 50 kgs. That will be calculated. So 1,500 kgs. 15 quintals means 15 into 100. 1,500 kgs, and we purchase for 3,000 rupees per quintal. 3,000 rupees per quintal, not kg. To take as kg. Quintal means 45,000. Okay. Now over. Now CGST Yeah, GST I have taken, and here the bill number is 225 by 25 26. It is 225. Okay. Then accept, that is the bill number, new reference, and it is showing, I don't know, I can't understand. See here, the calculation, everything is okay. Calculation is everything is okay. So this is the 35,000. 5% means 2.5, 2.5. This is the amount, this is the amount, and this is wheat. This is the amount, total amount is 4,000, 2,000 plus 2, 875 plus 2,000, 125 will be 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 4,000. So here amount is 2,000, 4,000. Everything is okay. But I don't know why it is showing in the Telugu also it is showing like that. I will check up because it is showing error. So if you go to second time, it will take. Okay. Something error there, I will check up. So we completed. We purchased. And then, so when after purchasing, we purchased in quintal, and now we can sell in quintal, we can sell in bags, we can sell in cages also. Any unit you can sell. But here, and rate also, rate can also be per any unit. Okay. See here, 2nd June. So we'll take up 2nd June. Now we are selling F8. So F8 we are selling, sold to Mukesh Enterprises, unregistered. It is a business, enterprises, but up to 40 lakhs registration is not required. It is not registered. Okay. Mukesh Enterprises. So Mukesh Enterprises, accept. See, same local and unregistered. Accept. We are making sales. Sale. We are selling sugar. Sugar we are selling. Here, how we are selling quantity. How we are selling quantity. Here we are selling. So quintal we can sell, bags we can sell, cases also. I am selling 5 bags. So 5 bags I am selling. We have to take it as 5. If you take 5, it will take as 5 kg. Main item it will take, but it is not 5 kg. 5, 5 B we have to give. 5 bags. You can give bags also, just B. 5B means it will convert into 5B means 5 bags means 5 into 50 kg each bag. So 250 kgs. So you can 250 kgs. 250 kgs means 200 means 2 quintal. 50 kgs means half quintal. 2.1 quintal like that. Okay. It is taking. Okay. Then. And then how you sell? Sold for 1,850. We can sell in any unit. So we have to calculate for it. It will automatically calculate to kgs. Yes, but selling kgs, the rate should be taken to kgs. This 1,550 is per bag. So 1,850 to show kgs. If it is taken as kgs, it will be large amount. It is per bag. This is but sold in bag, sold in bags, and rate also per bag. Okay, per bag it is 9,250. Okay, over. Then come down to wheat. Wheat. So here we are selling 7 bags. 7B. 7 bags we are selling. 7 into 50 means 7 bags means bag 50. 700, 350. It is showing 300 means 3 unit and 0.1. That is 1 sub. That is what you call bag is 1 bag. So 3 units. That is 3 quintal, and then 0.100 and 1 bag. This is for kg, that is 00. So 1.00, this is 1 bag. So 3 quintal and 1 bag. Okay. And how we sold? 3,750 per quintal. 3,750. If you give that, it will take as kg. This is the amount. But we sold it per quintal. So rate is per quintal. You have to give Q. Then it will be 13,150. That is, so per quintal, that is 100. 3,750 per quintal means per 100 kgs. Then this is 350 kgs. Then 13,125. 13,000. Automatically it will calculate. We need that checkup. Okay. It will calculate. I am showing how it is calculating. And then come down. CGST, SGST. Here also, here, go to Alt A and go to Alt F1. So this is 9,250, 2.5, 2.5, okay, 5%. This is the tax, and wheat, it is 13,000 change, and it is also 2.5, 2.5. This is the amount, and the total amount is only one amount is shown. That is as per calculation, as per our series, both are same. So there is no error. That is why it's showing single amount. So if you go to here, accept, accept. This is the new reference of the bill. Okay, if you go here, here also again it is showing, because it is showing as the tax does not match, but everything is same. that will check up. If you enter, it will accept. Okay, it will accept. Then it will be, see, accept, Alt A, Alt Q, Alt F, Alt F1. So everything is same. Okay, 1000. This is, yeah, 1118.76. Okay, see, 1118.76, 559. Sorry, 1118.76. Okay, 76 divided by 2 means, so CGST, HGST 559.38, 559.38, both are same. Okay, everything is same, but I don't know, it is showing some error, something wrong. So it's showing accept. It will, if you click, it will accept. Okay, so now we sold. Now again on the same date, we sold to Ratna Kumar. It is unregistered business, unregistered dealer. This is registered, unregistered dealer. This is consumer. When you are purchasing, we can purchase from anyone in local area, and anyone is others. Only in the case of regular dealers, there will be tax. Other unregistered and composition dealer, they cannot collect tax from us. There will be no tax. From other state means only we can purchase from registered regular dealer only. For unregistered and regular, composition, they cannot sell to other states. So that is not there. But here, consumer, when you are selling, we can sell to anyone at any place, local or interstate, regular, composition, and unregistered. To anyone we can sell, and we can collect the tax. We have to collect the tax. And now we are selling to Ratna Kumar. So Ratna Kumar, he is the, see, he is unregistered consumer, both are combined together, and then sales we are making. What we are selling? Sugar we are selling. Sugar, come down to quantity. What is the quantity? Here we sold in bags. Here we are paying in kgs. So 25 kgs. So it directly to take kgs only. That is the main unit, same thing. And amount is 40 rupees per kg. So 40 rupees per, it is showing as not bag, 40 rupees per kg it is. 40 rupees per kg. The same thing it will take actually. It has to take 25 rupees, 25 kgs. 20, if you give 25 kgs, automatically it will take kg. So 40 kg, automatically it has to take kg only, kgs only it is taking. So 25 kgs means, so first one is ton, quintal. There is no quintal. Next one is the bag. So 0.50 bag, that is the second quantity. That means half bag. 25 kg is half bag. First one is quintal, point. These three, we have got 2 digits. That is why it will take. If you don't give 2 digits for that, so it will take, so 50 means it will take 1 or it will not take anything like this. So accepted. Then wheat. How much we sold? Wheat we sold 35 kg. So 35 kg. It will take automatically kg. And here, if the rate is given 35 kg, okay, 35 kg we purchased. But if it is given rate per bag, so in such case, we have to give the rate here. We have to give the rate. What is the rate? 35 rupees. 35 rupees per kg it is given. For example, if it is given 600 rupees per bag, if it is given, we have to give 600 rupees, and here per we have to give bag. It will convert automatically. So 35 per kg. Per kg. So 35 per kg. Okay. 1,125 rupees amount. So CGST, HGST. So accept, and new reference it is taking, it is over. So like this, so again it is staying. I don't check up, but everything is okay. See here, accept, Alt A, Alt F1. So everything is same. 1,111.26. See here, 1,111.26, 56, 63, 1,000 again, 50, 55.63. So 1,011.26. So it is same. 1,011.26, 1,011.26. Okay. Everything is same. Only one amount is shown means our calculation is correct. Our calculation is correct. That is the meaning. So otherwise, it will show error. Both it will show wrong amount, our wrong amount, and correct amount it will show. Everything is okay. So this is the amount we sold. Okay. Over. And then next one is, next transaction is, so here is over on the same second. So we purchased from Raghava Enterprises. From this, we have not received anything. We paid 50,000 rupees to Raghava Enterprises. So on the same date, payment means payment voucher, and debit whom you pay. Payment and journal will show start with debit, contra and receipt will start with credit. So to whom we paid? Raghava Enterprises. So Raghava Enterprises, we have to pay 84,000, but we paid 50,000. So 50,000 rupees we paid debit against reference against that bill. We paid 50,000. So 34,000 is the balance, and we are paying by State Bank of India. So State Bank of India check, State Bank of India, and 50,000 means this is the check. Transaction type is check, and here this is by mistake. For another problem, it is given. This is given. So this we have to give the check number in this only. After complete that, again we will change the range from check to check. But here this is given. This is starting with 1. So this is we will take a starting with 1. So 6 digits starting with 1. Second date accepted. Amount is paid. So like this we have to make the entries for the composite, the compound unit. One unit is the main unit. Other two items we have to combine together. We have to show the relation between them as compound unit. So those two become compound unit. This is individual main unit. So for this main unit, we can give the compound unit as the alternate unit. For one unit, we cannot give two alternate units. One alternate unit is used. That is why other two we combined, made as compound unit. That compound is taken as the alternate to the main unit. That's all. And everything, whenever you are giving the entry, what is the quantity we purchased, what is the quantity we are selling, we have to give. But in the case of main unit, it automatically will take main unit. Other quantities, we have to give the quantity. Otherwise, it will take main unit. So this is about this one. And one more thing. In this case, I forgot. In this case, okay. In this case, if you go to stock summary, so we will see what is the stock available. Alt F1. See here, this is the balance stock available. This is the wheat stock available. Here they are showing only the main unit kgs. But if you want to see the alternate units also, go to F12 and here come down. So show alternate units. So alternate units, yes, and also compound unit. Compound unit is there, alternate is there. Two units are combined as compound unit, and this compound is shown as alternate to the main unit. So an alternate unit is there. So this compound also we have to show yes. So in this case, so here, so this is the thing. So it is showing the bags, 14.5 bag. That is, yeah, all these are shown. Okay, and if you take compound unit, it is showing everything. It is showing, and also if you go to display more units, go to stock items. If you take stock item, every item will show. So here also we have to go to here. It is gone. Alternate unit, yes, you have to give. So it is showing alternate unit and compound units also. It is showing in the next one. And if in the case of the sales, in the case of the sale, so this is sale. In the case of sale, go to the print page, go to the print, go to preview, F4 combined. Here it is showing, see, here it is showing the alternate units also. So if you want to show that separate column, you have to go to separate column. That is, it is showing in brackets. If you go to separate column, if you go to this one, see here, alternate unit, yes, and all in separate column. If you make it enter, it will become S. In this case, if you go and see the preview, so here go to preview, it will show. So this is the quantity, main quantity. This is alternate quantity. It is showing totally quintal and bags, everything is showing. So two separate columns. Otherwise, old alternative show alternate means it will show below the main unit. It will show in brackets. So this is about the compound units. So we close this session. In the next video, we will take up another important topic. So till then, bye. All the best. Good night.